Hey, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance directly into your bank account in 2021 on mobile, basically on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's a simple tutorial, make it as simple as I can. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. So the first thing you obviously want to do is sign up for Binance. You can sign up via the affiliate link I have in the description down below, or from the website. I think there's some bonuses if you use the affiliate link, and also you're helping out the channel. So you can click on the App Store, the Google Play Store when you've signed up, and then click on search, find the Binance app, and actually it's really easy to use, easier than the website. You just gotta get the hang of it, get the gist. So yeah, when you install it, just open it up, and in the beginning it will look like this for you to be the Binance Lite platform, the Binance Lite interface, but you quickly want to switch it up into a professional one by clicking on the left corner from Binance Lite, switch it up to a normal Binance account, a professional account. So here what you want to do is just click on deposit. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From there, you want to go down to, where was it? Oh no, sorry, click on wallets at the bottom right corner. And from there, you want to click on withdraw right here. It's basically the option in the center, and you can either withdraw crypto or cash. Click on cash if you want to withdraw to your bank account. Click USDT, which is basically USD, and you can withdraw here, select the network, and something like this. Another thing you can do is if you go on your computer, you can withdraw in other ways, but to me, the best thing I can do right now is just hold on to my crypto. It's your opinion. I really hope this video helped you out, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.